soft red lips and gentle tease. You must have been sent just for me.